Ni lihat wala tenia pada het club apa kemana the blog domo no bam ni ko la pe mahar blog pala awe mula bakada stimulus check kani awe tasi ko ado ma khu ta ni pe het part 2 na pada he mara thought blog looks si ta si kwa ti pano da order sara mu Susan, thank you so much for joining us again.
Well, thank you for having me.
So as you know, last time we upload a video and we have so many questions, and so today we want to do part 2 and answer some of the questions.
Okay.
So our first question is for students who are older than 16 but have never worked before. Are they eligible?
Okay. It's kind of complicated. If they are older than 16 but younger than 24 and they could be claimed as a dependent on their parents' taxes, they are not eligible. But if they are in that age group and cannot be claimed, like they file their own taxes, then they would get one.
I see. Tapi kwani na pachupula uadachi kuni super code the mara not blood dibasi depan na awak ikan hiya dasar mute wada pachupula uadasi kuni do kicilunya bersama wadunya amo pami dua wasi huda la dua tax kan amo pami pala wasi mila ke dependent mo ke bada udah mo padi nene awasi teni bana nak ya dunia cupula puara mesi kuni nak ya dunia agak mara do agak dua tax agak si depan ada ni kini wada. Thank you. So our second question is, do we have to apply to get this support or is it automatically?
Okay. You do not have to apply, but you have to file taxes. So even if you are low income and don't normally file taxes, you still have to file a simple tax return. So go ahead and translate that.
Okay. Yitasi ko ala sramune na yisi ko ala me tarakai ne pagbato rodia min mi bare ne pagni bar block pagni ba automatically lo asramute wada awe pagbato roba na kia ne ba drop a text mona ne mit drop a text ba di ba ne awe drop a text bon ne mi drop text la dito padwa nyonyu mi disi wa ne ta henu mi sa da lo mi lu dwala these are new bedwar kan about that simple text mona la text return that simple ka. Thank you.
There is a program called the IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program that will help you file the taxes for free.
Awa sramute da program urkala akodala IRS volunteer you say
IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program.
Program the kanina la wakamacha wala na duana text simple text the kanimon let me text you kani.
Okay.
Thank you. So our third question is then it'll be those who have never worked before with or who have worked but has low income that they never had to file tax before, would they have to file the simple tax then?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Wai tasi kwala sa munena awe panyala tamabu danor body ba heso mige pala he opayidi na kina mabu ba danor body ba min ba ne panyala mabu ba na kita hen shat lelo atulu dwa tax ba ti depane awe se kaba dawada simple tax ya mai si ko ada ramte mila awe se ba dawada simple tax the kanina. Our fourth question is, will they mail the check to us or will it go to our bank?
If you file the tax return and include your bank information, it will be automatically deposited in your bank. That's the best way. It's the quick.
Awe yitasi ko anina awe me pagashani pa check ni la pa hiya min mi badu ne pagashani la pa bank puwa pa tena nasi ko wadama la sara mute wadana me do tax kane ne me pon lo na bank me palo dan bank ne bakashana the bank the block holo awani mikela ikuter kamana.
Otherwise, it will be mailed. The check will be mailed.
Min me bari no me palo on the bank learn a text kabadu bakashani nala check learn a hilomana. Our next question, when can we expect this? When can we expect to receive this?
Yeah, I've been told that the checks will start to be mailed out the middle of April, which is, in a week. The ones that will come first are the ones that get direct deposited. The ones through the mail will take longer. So it could be a month.
I see. Where tasi kwani na pagani pagashola ni check sile mana bosra mutela when na hubawani April la thota one na awe ba kasara hiwada wa hi chula panyala appen ka bank la awe le tax kan wami ba direct deposit ni ba chul jema wami ba shoni na la ni hidu wa ti taite so ba ta la do ati ma yana mo. Thank you. So our next question is, how will we know when the check is mailed to us, or how will we know when we get when it's deposited to our account?
I believe that it will just show up. I don't think they will notify us that it's coming. This is such a huge undertaking. I can't imagine that they would be able to notify you. Just keep checking your bank account and your mail.
Okay. Awe tasi kwa garkadu ne pagkasinya dile mona pa check ne wa mission ni kwa men mi wa mi pana bank account ne pagkasinya dile au di sinya ba kakaya sra mutewda kapruda kai ne kewda ta phadul kha awasi ba mara pha anya khudutani pa ba di sinya ba di sa chomo di se ba mona ka nakba check ba da na bank min mi ba de mi box tabula mona awe ke he lon odi ne la ba te yana di se ba. All right. What about our elders who receive SSI? Will they be eligible? Do they have to file for the simple tax?
No. If they get a 1099, an SSA 1099, or if they get Social Security, they will not have to do anything because already the government is depositing checks in their bank account. So they'll take that same information and deposit this check in the bank account.
Okay. Away tati kwane lo po pasa patir pa gono lo awati ni ba beduda masali sir pani ko ba toro wedi asra mudet lu tor holo ba awati bedu hi lo ba ja check le talal blal ba jeli ko tani keledi ni lo awati na ke ni ba wes tikolo. That's all the questions that I've seen. Is there any other information that you think we should know?
Yes. Excuse me. Okay. Non-resident aliens and those without Social Security numbers, even if they have children with Social Security numbers, are not going to be eligible.
Sa mutewada panyala Social Security to obati panina panyala to me US tibu kubado awete social media obati panit apo mimike nake apo social media onake awete tiniba weba.
I think that's it. Things change, and it still could change, but that's the information that I have from the IRS right now.
Thank you. Tara mutewada ta chorle o mona na ke orine ke ne talabusinya ne o di lo mona ta chorle le kidikasidi. Thank you so much, Susan.
Thank you.
Thank you. So awe ta kusadi na nati sasra mute so ne awe ta chorle sadi ko o le laki ba te ko o mi o re te pya si le laki mona ke di ta si ko mi o ri si comment la se bu classes se la ri ta ta bu do mala si ko video kai ni la na